Paolo Conti stressed that he has nothing but gratitude for GMA Network, refuting rumors that he feels resentment toward the latter after his noontime show, Taha ng Pinakamasaya, ceased airing. Contis addressed the speculations during his 40th birthday celebration at the launch of GMA campaign, Basta't Sama-sama. Best time ever, as seen on the network's Instagram page on Friday, March 15. Wala po akong wish, he said after he was asked to make a birthday wish. Nais ko lang pong magpasalamat sa inyo, sa suporta ng GMA7 sa akin. I wanna thank GMA for always supporting me. For always supporting the show. I don't have a wish. I just want to thank you all and to GMA for your support. I wanna thank GMA for always supporting me, for always supporting the show. May kumalat po na may tampo ako sa GMA, hindi po yun totoo. Pero pagbigyan na po natin yung mga nagkakalat nun, he added, opting not to name anyone in particular. Content po nila yun. Para po sa kanila yun pero it's not true, there were rumors circulating that I have ill feelings toward GMA, it's not true. But let's pay no mind to those spreading such claims. They are just using those for content, but there's no truth to that. Contis further underscored that GMA has been with him even in unfavorable circumstances, for which he's very grateful. I love GMA and I'm very thankful to GMA. They've been supporting me during the time na kahit hindi ako kasupo-suporta, that I didn't deserve the support, he stated. So walang dahilan para magtampo ako sa GMA so, there's no reason for me to resent them.